Number 4, making the brain gush.
All right. We need 2 scoops of the brain mix. 2 into the brain.
Okay. One, 2.
Now we need 3 scoops of the brain activator. 3 scoops.
Okay. One, 2, 4. This looks disgusting. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm stirring it.
No, I'm just continue. Oh, with that. Ooh, that looks disgusting. Disgusting.
Okay. All right, now we pour the water in. This part is going to be messy.
Gushy.
Okay. Pour the water on top.
Okay.
Okay, let's watch it.
It's gushing. It's gushing.
Ah, it's going to make a mess.
It's gushing. See that, everybody? The brain is gushing now. Look, it is. It's alive. It's gushing out, just like on the picture. It's gushing. See?
Is
Like
that
on
it?
the picture.
Is that all it's going to gush?
It has to gush like that.
I think it's done. And then let's add some more water. Here.
It's alive. Done.
Aiden, look.
What? Let's try it.
Yeah, I'm not trying it. You try it. Eat it like it's cereal. I eat brains for breakfast.
Great.
That's nasty, isn't it? Ew. Aiden, that tastes like butt.
It's good.
Ew. Okay, our bugs and skin are done.
It is done.
Okay,
Yep, it's done.
carry the whole thing. Get the whole plate. Now you need your little tweezer things. Oh, I see a baby. Hi, baby. Sit down. Sit down. Turn around. Sit down. Sit down. Okay. Ew. Look at that. Blah, 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 blah. That's some nasty skin.
I have something hard in here.
It's gross, isn't it?
There's something hard in here.
It's gross. Aiden doesn't want to admit it, but it's nasty. Ew. It looks chewy. That's gross.
Good.
Not really, huh? Okay, let's open it and see what our bug looks like.
You can open it.
Here, hold this.
You eat it this time.
I'm not eating this, checkiness. Oh, it's cute. It's a cute little bug. Wait, let me see. Perfect. Can you get it out?
No. I think we should do a different flavor this time.
A different flavor? They don't have different flavors, baby.
Mm-hmm. I have to go to the bathroom.
Aren't you gonna eat this?
You didn't need to go. Okay. Ooh.
See or no?
See.
No. Yucky. Okay, let's look at this guy.
This time Maya needs to eat it.
Here.
Let's do
Ew.
it again when Mario comes home.
Ew. Let baby eat it. Ah! There's a
Let's-
bug on the table. There's a bug on the table. Wait, let me see it. Here, baby. Do you want some food? Here, child. Here, child. Eat it. Wait. Eat it. Open your mouth. Eat the bug. Eat the bug. Eat the bug. Ew, Kylie don't even like it.
Come on.
Here. I'm not sure, Mama. It tastes like a booty. Don't shove it in her mouth.
Disgusting.
Ew, yucky bugs. Yucky bugs. Okay, say goodbye.
Goodbye. Don't you